Hi Jennifer, my name is McKinley with Axiom Digital Marketing. I spoke to you on the phone yesterday. I just wanted to get this video over to you that can show you how to beat your competition online so you can get more leads and more customers. So to start, it's a really nice looking site. People love these image headers across the top. Personally, I'm a fan as well. And you've got a consistent color scheme. It's very aesthetic. Scrolling down, I can see there's not a whole lot of content on your site, which would be a really great place to start because it allows you to get keywords in there. And Google reads all your content, and that's how they know what topics you're relevant to and therefore what to rank you for. Google likes to see about 1,000 to 1,500 words, but none of your competition has a lot of content, so we'd only need about 1,000 words on the homepage to beat them. And it wouldn't hurt to have some content on the back pages as well. I'm going to go back to the first page so I can show you. This right here is called the Google Map Pack, or GMB, which is the first thing anyone sees when they search something on Google. No one ever clicks on more businesses, so it's really important to be in the top 3 here. You do that through getting more citations and good reviews than any of your competition. A citation is any time your business's name, address, and phone number is listed on the web. We'd also optimize your GMB by completing your profile and adding properly labeled images and stuff like that. We're going to jump into a tool called Eris to check your site out in more depth. This is the power your site has. You're sitting at 14 right now. This one's kind of low, but honestly, all of your competition is pretty low in that area. So if we got this up, you would have a huge advantage over them already. There's 18 pages linking back to you, and you have 160 backlinks overall. So you're definitely going in the right direction. Backlinks are anytime someone puts a link on another site, and when people click on it, it takes them to your site. Not all links are created equal though, and it's important to have quality backlinks that are seen as trusted by Google. Otherwise, you're almost hurting yourself rather than helping. We can grow those for you for sure, and having more of those than your competition and more powerful ones than your competition is one of the factors that'll help you rank. This right here is how many clicks your site gets per month. Currently, you're getting about 21. And you can see that your site currently ranks in the top 100 pages for 258 keywords, but we want to be on the first page for as many keywords as possible, especially the ones people search more often. I'm going to go in here. So down here, you can see if I organize it by your position on the page, you're ranking in the top page for these search terms, and you're almost to the first page for this one. These ones right here are the same keyword that is on your site several times, but you're at a volume of about like this keyword gets about 50 searches per month. This one gets about 20, and this one down here gets 20 as well. So you are getting some traffic from these keywords, but it's lower traffic than if we were to go after some of these higher volume keywords like kitchen appliances repair. Gets 200 searches a month, and appliance repair Grand Junction, Colorado gets 100. And if we went after these higher volume keywords and more people are searching for these terms and you rank in the top page for them, you're guaranteed to get more traffic. Let me show you the difference that can make. So this is your competition. This is the guy that's ranked 4th in organic search results for the same search term as you guys, actually. So if we scroll down, we can see, like I said, he has almost no content at all. But if we plug him into the same tool as before, he's got a power of about 15, which is just barely above you guys. And like I said before, he's super low over here, but that's good because it's going to be a lot easier to beat him. But he's got about twice the amount of backlinks and twice the amount of pages linking back to him. But that's not a big deal, and it's easy to surpass him in that area as well because we just go after the same links that he already has in addition to like higher power, more quality links. So right here you can see that he's ranking in the top 100 pages for 254 keywords. He's utilizing keywords properly, so he's ranking in the top positions for a lot of them. So he's in the first position for these ones right here. He's in the second position for these ones. Some of these are his name, and then he's in the third position for these ones. So he's ranking really high for a lot of keywords, which is what's helping his traffic. So if we go back and we look at his traffic per month, he's getting about 267 clicks to his site per month. And if you were to outrank him, you would be getting 267 clicks or more per month. So if you closed even 10% of those deals, which is a pretty low estimate, that would be an additional 30 jobs or 30 customers every single month. And what would that do for you and your business? On that note, I'll leave you, and I would love to get together and have coffee or lunch sometime to answer any questions you may have or go over your guys' vision for the future for your business. Once again, my name is McKinley. This is my number and my email. Feel free to contact me anytime, and I'll definitely keep in touch with you guys. Have a good day.